So now let's see how we can work around with waves and witness protection effects inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have this particular clip right here, and in order to add in waves effect, I'm going to go around under effects right here, and then I'm going to go around and expand out the distort section. So once I do that, you can see that waves is an option and it's a layer only effect. That means I need to go around and convert this into composition. So I'm just going to go around and right click and then make this a composite shot and then press OK right here. And then you can see that now it is a composite shot over here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and drag in the waves right here just like this, and over here waves has been applied. So I can go around, change around the amplitude and the frequency over here, change around the angle over here just like this as well, and change around the displacement effect. You can go around, change around the fade speed, and then change around the distance to image right here, and then you can tile or reflect it out as you can see right here. You can also go around with illumination of the effect right here just like this, and then change around the angle of the illumination, the direction of the illumination, change around the shadows right here, and change around the lightness as well. And also you can go around, change around the distortion map and choose a source layer right here. So for that, I'm going to go around and then go to media and bring in any one of the media right here. And then over here under the distortion map, I'm going to go around and select the source layer as well. So you can see that the distortion happens accordingly right here, just like this. You can go around and choose the luminance right here and then invert it out as well, just like this. So this is how you can see that you can work around with the waves effect right here, as you can see right here. So this is how you can go around and work around with the waves effect inside of HitFilm. So let me just go around over here onto the editor right here, and you can see that this is the waves effect as you can see right here. Let me bring in another footage right here, not this one but the one with a person right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and bring in a person right here. So you can clearly see the face of this person right here. And another effect that you have is a witness protection. That means you can go around and blur out the face of a certain person. In that case, you can go around and utilize witness protection right here, click and drag it out, and you get the witness protection option as you can see right here. You can go around and change around the size right here just like this and pull this up so that you can hide that person right here just like this. You can go around and choose presets right here so that it's almost recognizable, or blur it out subtle right here just like this, and so forth. You can go around and change around the size and change around the edge right here, and then change around the shape over here just like this as well by pulling it and by rotating it. And you can choose pixelate or blur effect right here. So you can change around the block size right here and then randomize the sources like this as well. So this is what you can do to randomize this even more, as you can see right here. So you can go around, blur it, so it simply blurs it out right here, and then you get the blur effect for the radius as you can see. But for the pixelate, you can really go around and randomize everything just like this as well. So you can simply not recognize who someone is. So that is how you can utilize the waves and witness protection effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.